Hey guys, today I'm going to quickly explain how to check the oil in your own car. To check your oil properly, you want to make sure your car is on a flat and level surface with the engine turned off. With the motor turned on, you won't be able to get an accurate reading of how much oil you have, as it's all circulating around and lubricating the engine. Next, you'll want to find the oil dipstick. This usually looks like a ring so that you can put your finger through and pull it out, and it's also usually yellow or brightly colored so that you can find it easily in the engine bay. The one here in my Nova is brown instead of yellow, but I'll throw up a couple examples of what it might look like in your engine bay. So let's see what this dipstick looks like. This is where the oil dipstick is mounted on the Nova. For most cars, the oil dipstick will stick out of the bottom of the motor on some sort of tube. This is a good example of that, as you can see the dipstick tube sticking out of the bottom of the engine block. Pull the dipstick out and check where the oil level goes up to. Dipsticks will usually have a low and full line on them, and you want the oil level to be just in the middle. We're going to wipe our dipstick off and check the oil level a second time. This is just to be sure that there isn't any residual oil on the dipstick showing you a higher level than what is actually there. Although my oil is pretty dirty and could use a change, the level is right. It comes to just the middle mark between the high and low. This chart I found online shows you just about every possibility of what your dipstick could look like when you pull it out. Use this as a guide to figure out what you need to do to solve any problems you may have when checking your oil. So that's all there is to it, guys. Now you should know how to check your oil whenever you may need. I hope this video helped some of you guys out, and if it did, go ahead and leave me a like or subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. If you guys have questions or comments, leave them for me below, and until then, I'll see you guys next time on Full Tilt Drift.